Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, we're discussing an IWC Ingenieur automatic. It's actually a Ken Noguchi tribute model that was launched in 2008 in stainless steel, a 200-piece edition that is dedicated to the career and causes of the unconventionally interesting mountaineer and environmentalist Ken Noguchi. The son of a diplomat, he was born in the United States. He is a Japanese national, and he has been famous for his mountaineering, his environmental advocacy, and being the youngest person ever, at 25, to scale the 7 summits, so the highest peak on each continent. Now, the watch, separate from all of that, is fascinating. It's the 3227-12, a model that was in production from 2005 to 2008, and it's a big engineer, so 42.5 millimeters in diameter, 14.7 millimeters thick, and then you could see that it's a fairly robust 51.5 millimeters from end to end if we're just measuring the case. And then it is 56 millimeters from end link to end link if you want to measure the total horizontal distance across the wrist. So we'll throw that on my wrist there. You can see it is a big engineer, although it is not the big Ingenieur, which was a truly huge watch. The timepiece is bold. It is an evolution of the Gerald Genta reference 1832 Jumbo Ingenieur of 1976. So in that sense, it's a peer and a contemporary to the likes of the Royal Oak and the Nautilus. It's not a watch designed to emulate them after the fact. This has the pedigree of being a real Genta design, albeit a very bold evolution of it. I would recommend it for a wrist my size or larger. I don't really think a wrist smaller than 16 centimeters circumference could wear this, though I'll let you be the ultimate judge on that. The bracelet's robust. I mean, very, very solid, nicely decorated. You can see there's a little bit of nuance in terms of how the satin and polish is deployed. You can see every single link is removable, so you have a bit of flexibility in sizing. And you'll note that includes a sort of intermediate-sized link, so you have additional flexibility if you find yourself in between sizes. And here's another one of those intermediates right there. It's a single-fold clasp. You can see it's media blasted inside. Closes. It has a trigger release, so you press that trigger to open it up. The watch features a case back dedicated to the model's namesake, Mountaineer, and his charitable endeavors. You can see this is individually numbered, making it a bit unusual for modern IWC limited editions, which tend to be a nondescript and generic 1 of X. So this would normally be 1 of 200 in the current IWC limited edition labeling practice, but the practice when this watch came out was to still individually number the limited edition watches, which I do appreciate. And it's an attractive case back. Soft iron inner cage, anti-magnetic, so there's nothing to see through the case back. Screw down crown, 120 meters water resistant. We have a distinctive tonneau-like case profile with polish and satin in juxtaposition. And then we have a dial with the Ingenieur motif in brown. You can see it's a very tightly spaced, repeating sort of monogram of capital I's, the letter I. Then we have orange, and as you can see, applique numerals and indices. There is plenty of luminescence. We'll take a look at that now. And then the movement is the 80110. So it's an IWC movement that is bidirectional automatic winding with a pole-based winding system, 44-hour power reserve. It has stop seconds and also a quick set date. And again, you could see that right there. And take a look, and you can see that the numbers are all brown on silver, so they really think this through to make sure that the numerals themselves are the same color as the dial. This is a well-done addition and very attractive, whether you're a Ken Noguchi fan, a Mountaineer, or you simply like the aesthetic of it. And again, 5-position adjusted, pawl-based bidirectional winding system, 4 Hz beat rate, and a 44-hour power reserve in a watch that has a shielded movement for anti-magnetism and a screw-down crown with the IWC motto Probus Scafusia for 120-meter water resistance. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.